Hi guys, this is B3 Techies here to teach you how to use chart on PowerPoint. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up PowerPoint, pick a template, then right next to home you're going to click on insert, which is another ribbon, and chart. So chart is basically where you can add a chart into your presentation. So where it says all charts and down, you're going to find recent, which are the charts that you used recently. Templates, well I don't have any because I have not downloaded any from PowerPoint. You have column. From column all the way down to combo are all different types of charts. So column, line, pie, bar, area, XY scatter, stock, surface, radar, and combo. So all these are different. So I want column, and I want the 3D stack column. And then I'm going to click OK. So now you have your chart right here in the background, and right on top of it is another box. So this box is where you're going to be putting in all your numbers and data. So for example, I'm going to make a chart. I'm asking different types of grade levels, what's their favorite writing utensils. So I know they're like pencils, pens, and markers. Okay, and first I'm going to be putting in the grades on this side where it says category. Okay, now that I'm done, we're putting in that. I'm going to go on to where it's like blue highlighted, and I'm going to be putting in the numbers of my data. So okay, now I'm done putting in all my data. I can X out. And there you go, you have your chart. But we're not done. I'm going to also add a title to the chart. It's going to be called writing utensils. Actually, it's going to be called favorite writing. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, we have to make your chart pretty. So we're going to start over here where it says add chart element. And adding chart element is where you're going to there's like little things that you can fix, like the axis, if you want primarily horizontal or primarily vertical. Axis tiles, if you want them primarily horizontal, primarily vertical. Chart title, if you don't want one, if you want it above the chart or center overlay. Data labels, if you don't want any or if you do. Data table, if you don't want one, if you want with legend keys, or if you don't want one, if you want one but with no legend keys. Grid lines, that takes care of the background. And legends. And of course, I forgot one thing to say. You will always have like more legend options, more options for every element. So, quick layout is another kind of like quick thing you can like do. Change the overlay layout of a chart. So right here with this change colors, this is where you can like customize color and style. So I kind of want this one, so I'm going to pick this one. And you have other chart styles too. You don't just have the one that you made, you have many other ones. Okay, select data is where you can go like edit your data, and you can see like the things that you have. Like you have this box right here, and it's like making this little like round thing, and it's saying like, oh, you have this, and this, and if you want to add or you want to edit to your categories, it's technically like that. And then if you X out of there, it will still let you like just type in other. If you like want to edit your data again, and edit data is where you can edit the data again, or if you want to do it in Excel 2013. Okay, and then if you did not like this chart, you could just, or whichever one you're doing, you can change the chart type. So if you want a pie one, you can just change it. Okay. So moving on to the next part of the chart tools, we have format. So one important thing you see right here where it says like chart area, it's the chart elements. So you always have to make sure whichever chart element that you are have on here is the only one that's gonna be changing, like gonna be like designing, and you're only gonna be designing that part, and you can only format that part. If you have it like on chart area and you wanted to edit the chart title, it's not going to be doing the chart title, it's going to be doing the area. So I'm going to like say I'm editing the chart title, format selection. You have, oh, that's another, and then if you want it like this, see, it's only editing that part of what you asked for. So we set to match style. It will bring you like clear all the formatting that you have done into the chart title, because that's the thing that we're formatting. So just like take you back. So like look at favorite writing utensils, and then now it's like gone. So you can always go back on that if you didn't want that. Right here you have to insert shapes. And then, if you still, this is, we're on chart area, which is for, like, the whole background or whichever. And then shape fill, that's, like, the whole, if you want an little outline, that doesn't make a lot of difference. Shape effects. I mean, you can see it, kind of see the black outline, and you have the other. Okay. And then we also have, if you want different word art styles. And then this is just to get like text fill. That's text outline. That like does what you did. Shadow. And then like this is all if you want different types, make a little effect on your text. Bring forwards and backwards in selection pane. Is they're all for like when you have other text around. So you know how you have like on a Word document, you can also add it. You have text and like this PowerPoint too, so you can like have other text. So basically, all these are supposed to help your chart be in the right place depending on the text in the back. Alignment. That's to align when you have other writing. So that has to do with this too for the size. And if you want it wider. Okay. Another thing, you have all these little three, these are basically, the same thing we saw like on, these are like more in design. You can also add chart elements, like this one, and here, if you did want a legend, and then this is to change the style and the color, like we went on change colors, and, the chart styles. And the last thing is this one. These are like all like just checking over your chart. So that's it for how to use chart on PowerPoint. Make sure also we have another video. It's how to add chart in Word, but this is how to add chart on PowerPoint. So make sure you check that one out too. Also, please make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you.